Hello everyone, welcome to True Juice Limited. Today I'll be showing you how to refill a bizhub C364 toner. In this process, we'll be using colorpro universal toner refills, specifically designed for a wide range of bizhub printers. These refills come in 4 colors: cyan, black, magenta and yellow, available in our store. You can also order them online. We do deliveries countrywide. With that said, let's get the refill started. First, we open the cover. We are done with the refilling. Let's do a test print. This is the final printout. That's it for today.